What's going on, everybody? Wolf Daddy here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Everybody who's new coming to the channel, definitely thank y'all so much for checking this video out. If you like it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave some feedback in the comments. So everything's appreciated. We're a fairly new channel starting out, and we're growing at a pretty nice rate. So just all your support is definitely appreciated. Just want to get that out there. But today, we're not racing anybody, unfortunately. We tried to do a little racing last night, ran into some hiccups, really didn't get any footage. But we had a good time hanging out, and hopefully very soon we'll start doing some more racing with the Smurf truck. I know y'all like to see it in action, pretty much just gapping everybody. But now that the truck's name is starting to grow, more and more people know what's up with it, and I'm starting to have to race faster and faster cars that really don't even sit like me. But to keep the footage coming, I'm gonna keep on racing them. That's in the future. I'll definitely get y'all that footage very soon. Today, we're gonna be doing a little product review, demonstration, unboxing for a company called Armor Shield IX. It's a nano ceramic coating. It's a do-it-yourself. If you ever wanted to ceramic coat your vehicle, but really just didn't have that big money to have a professional do it, and you think you could take this on, it is set up. The product's set up to do it yourself. Pretty much just clean the vehicle, degrease it, and then shine it up, and then of course put your ceramic coating on. There is a step in there, which is a clay bar step. I'm not going to clay bar this vehicle. It's a brand new truck. I'm not a professional detailer. I've never used a clay bar before, and I'm not going to start today on my brand new truck. But I'm sure you can find some other videos on YouTube that will show you how to clay bar. That way you don't have to skip that step. Unfortunately, I just don't have a ton of time to go through it and learn a new skill, if you would. So we're going to skip that step. The vehicle is clean, but I drove it out here. I wanted to kind of be by the water today, so here I am. It's really my only day off, and kind of just wanted to enjoy the breeze and the waves and all that. So here we are. We drove it. I'm going to wipe it down, quick detail it, all that stuff. Just give it a quick wipe down, and then we'll go ahead and check this out. Like I said, I'm not a professional detailer. I do like to keep my truck clean. This right here is a little more than what I would do, I guess, on a daily or weekly basis. Usually I just power wash it, run it through the car wash, and use a quick detailer. But this company reached out to me and they wanted me to do this video, so let's check this out. A little fancy box. Pretty windy out here, so hopefully none of this stuff blows away. In the box right away, you'll see it, the Armor Shield. So we'll take that out. Little microfiber towel. Some gloves, so I'm not sure if there's some type of chemical in here. They want you to wear gloves. They're obviously sending you gloves. Like I said, I don't know the ingredients that they put in this, so just put your gloves on. And then it looks like a little applicator sponge here. It's got a soft side on it, little applicator sponge. And of course, Avalon King, y'all can see that. Coated by the King, little sticker, and then another little fine towel there. So we'll go ahead, read some directions, and then we will apply this on the truck. All right, here's the instruction booklet. It is in the box, so we'll just read through it. It's really not that difficult. Like I said, you have to wash it, you got to clean it, and you're supposed to clay bar this vehicle, really get any imperfections out, anything like that, and then of course polish it. So I just did a quick little wipe down. The truck was already clean, already washed it. Just really wanted to get some of the bugs off it from riding up here. And then of course the IPA alcohol wipe. Simple method, boom, boom, boom. Wrap one small black cloth tightly around the sponge. Shake bottle well. Then apply several drops, 10 to 12 to saturate the cloth. And wipe a thin layer across the car surface. First horizontally, then vertically to ensure even application. Continue to spread, crisscross pattern. Let the coating set generally between 1 to 5 minutes, then remove the residue by lightly buffing with a microfiber towel that they supply. Once done, proceed to apply, then buff the coating one body part at a time. So today we're only going to be doing the hood, so I'll go ahead and start applying this. Alright, here's the little towels that they give you. Here's your little sponge. So we'll just sit it just like that. Wrap it around, and then we'll go ahead and apply it. There's your bottle, armor shield, Avalon King. It says shake well, we'll shake it up. A little windy out here, it makes it a little more difficult, I guess, but we got a nice view. There we go. Might be a little more than needed, but it's definitely saturated. So here we go. Let's see what it is. So the cloth is starting to get a little dry. I did about half the hood, I guess. So we'll just resaturate it. But just a little tiny bit seems to be going a long way. Thanks for watching that, guys. Hopefully it helps somebody in some type of way make a decision on whether or not this product is for you. Do I like it? Sure, I like it. It's exactly like it's advertised. It's easy to use, easy to apply. It was shipped out extremely fast. Very well packaged, and it seems like a good product to me. The only question I have is how long will this product last? Well, we're definitely going to put it to the test. This is the only vehicle I own. It's daily driven. I drive it 2 hours one way, back and forth to work every day. It's a brand new truck, it's got 22,000 miles on it, and pretty hard on it. So I'm definitely going to put this product to the test. So any feedback, any questions, anything like that, I'll definitely keep y'all posted in the comments. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. I want to thank Avalon King for sending this product out to make this video. Thank y'all. It's Avalon King Armor Shield. I'll drop all the links in the description. Go check it out. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you like the merch, the Teespring account is directly underneath this video.